Hello everyone, nami-miss niyo rin ba ang Bagumbayan bread? Tara, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng isa sa paborito kong tinapay noon. Napakadali lang pala nitong gawin. In a clean bowl, put 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon vanilla, food color, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoon water. Mix all together until sugar dissolve. Add 2 cups all-purpose flour and mix hanggang maging dough. Yes, you can check also the description box for the complete list of ingredients. Knead dough until all ingredients well incorporated. Now let's flatten the dough using rolling pin. Paninipisin natin ito. And set aside first, and let's proceed to the filling. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon oil or margarine, 1/2 cup water, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/4 cups breadcrumbs. Knead dough until all ingredients well incorporated. Roll it and put some water on top of the flattened dough para dumikit ang ating filling. Slice it according to your desired sizes. Let's transfer the Bagumbayan bread to the greased baking tray. Brush it with egg wash or milk sugar mixture on top. Baked in 200 degrees Celsius 25 to 30 minutes. At ito na po, mayroon na tayong homemade Bagumbayan bread na napakadali lang gawin. Hope you enjoyed this episode.